My name's Serge Beaulieu.
And I'm Yelena Filipchuk, and we are HYBYCOZO.
It's actually an acronym, and it stands for the Hyperspace Bypass Construction Zone, which is actually a reference to both of our favorite book, from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. We have one installation here that consists of 3 artworks that have all been to Burning Man, or versions of them. This piece is called Trocto, which is a truncated octahedron, which is 14 sides. Behind us here, this piece is called Deep Thought, which, yes, is a reference to the deep thought of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. A lot of our names come from our admiration for Douglas Adams. And then on the left here, we have a piece called Lvov, which is actually named after the city where Yelena was born.
Geometry and mathematics are the core of what we do. We want to showcase geometry in its most pure form and in a way that is aesthetically pleasing so that people will come to understand it on a deeper, more intimate level. The basis of our artwork is to show people that there are shapes other than squares and boxes, because what we say is that people work in square rooms on square desks, and this artwork hopefully can help them think outside of the box. A big part of our process is using the 3-dimensional sculptural shape to inform the 2-dimensional pattern. And so then there's an interrelationship and a harmony between the two. And then we use light and shadow to take things from a 3-dimensional shape and then project a 2-dimensional pattern back onto the ground.
For us, geometry is the one universal thing that will carry through every religion, through every person, and every planet too. We kind of always say that we want our pieces to feel like they fell from space. If aliens were to come, if they were to come to Earth, they might not recognize a butterfly, they might not recognize a giraffe, they might not recognize a tree, but they will 100% know what a dodecahedron is.
I hope that people get to experience a little bit of the wonder, magic, and a little bit of the curiosity that I think encountering something like this in the desert tends to have on people. So if we can even give them that little ounce of...
The Burning Man gave us an opportunity to make art that otherwise, didn't really exist anywhere in the world.
Over the past 20 years, there's been kind of a digitization of your daily life. And a big part of what we wanted to do with our artwork and our process, returning back to making and creating, and also integrating those highly technological methods into that, and seeing kind of what the next evolution of craft is in the United States.